Y'all, I have been turning myself inside out for the last couple of weeks trying to come up with a closure for my memory wire earrings. I love working with memory wire. It's very strong, it's springy, it's bend resistant, and it makes some really pretty earrings. It holds its shape, but I'm not crazy about the closures that I've tried at the top. I like something that looks a little more refined at the top. So that's what I've been trying to come up with, and so these are some of my experiments, and these are fine. Um, you know, that's okay, but not great. To me, it looks a little sloppy for an earring top. This one is pretty good. I learned this from Jewel School. You turn one hoop like perpendicular and the other one parallel and put it through there and make a loop, and that looks good. That's pretty good. But I thought, well, I want to do something different, just a little bit different. That's kind of another version of that. That doesn't work real well on small earrings, and that's kind of the size earring I want to make. So I wasn't crazy about that. I love this size and shape of earring, but again, trying to come up with something to tie those top loops together so that they look like one loop was difficult. And I thought, well, I'll try some wire weaving, and you can see how that turned out. That was pretty much a disaster. This was my second attempt at wire weaving the top closed. I didn't like that either. This one I like, but it's a fluke. I don't think I could ever do this again. Can't even tell you how I did it. And then this, no, I don't like that either. Ugh. So last night, I was about to give up, and I said, let me try one more thing. And lo and behold, it worked. So I'm going to be making earrings soon with a new kind of top closure that I like. I hope you'll like it. I think it looks better. I think it looks more refined. And here's another version of it. It involves a bead and a little bit of finesse, but it's well worth it. So I'm so excited. Stay tuned for the next installment of Memory Wire Jewelry. I'll see you soon.